Imagine a world where tiny machines solve our biggest problems. That's not science fiction, it's nanotechnology. Welcome to the realm of the infinitesimally small, where science and technology converge to manipulate matter at the atomic and molecular scale. This is the world of nanotechnology, a realm that exists at 1/1000th of a meter, yet holds immense potential to reshape our reality. Nanotechnology is like having a magical toolkit, where we can rearrange atoms and molecules, the very building blocks of our universe, to create new materials and devices with a vast range of applications. From medicine to electronics, energy production to environmental protection, nanotechnology opens a door to a world where the extraordinary becomes the everyday. Envision a future where disease and pollution are things of the past, where renewable energy is the norm, all thanks to these tiny architects of change. Nanotechnology, once fully realized, has the potential to revolutionize our world. So, where can you find these tiny marvels of science at work? Well, let's dive right in. Nanotechnology, with its ability to manipulate matter at an incredibly small scale, is making big waves in various fields. First up, medicine. Nanoparticles are being used to deliver drugs precisely where they're needed in the body. This targeted approach could revolutionize treatments for diseases like cancer. Then there's electronics, you know those tiny powerful chips in your smartphone? They're a product of nanotechnology. It's enabling us to create smaller, faster and more energy-efficient devices. And let's not forget about energy production. Nanotech is improving the efficiency of solar panels, making renewable energy more viable and accessible. From fuel cells to food packaging, the applications of nanotechnology are as diverse as they are transformative. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. As you can see, nanotechnology is not just a concept of the future, but a reality of today. What if we could harness the full power of nanotechnology? What could we achieve? Imagine a world where medical breakthroughs are the norm, not the exception. With nanotechnology, we could develop targeted drug delivery systems, making treatments more effective and reducing side effects. What if we could repair damaged cells at a molecular level or even halt the aging process? That's the promise of nanotechnology in medicine. Now consider the environment. Nanotechnology could provide solutions for clean energy, water purification, and waste management. Imagine solar panels that are twice as efficient or water filters that can remove the tiniest of pollutants. And let's not forget about technological advancements. From ultra-thin, flexible electronics to high-capacity, rapid-charge batteries, nanotechnology could redefine our technological landscape, making our devices smaller, faster, and more efficient. The potential of nanotechnology is limited only by our imagination. And as we push the boundaries of this exciting field, who knows what amazing developments the future might bring. But every rose has its thorns, and nanotechnology is no exception. Just as the petals of a rose hide sharp thorns, the promise of nanotechnology is tinged with challenges that we must navigate wisely. One such challenge concerns our health. The tiny size of nanoparticles allows them to penetrate deep into our body, potentially causing unknown health risks. The environmental impact is another thorny issue. Nanoparticles can accumulate in the environment, and their effects on ecosystems are not yet fully understood. Then there's the question of regulation and control. How do we regulate a technology that's so small, yet so powerful? Who gets to decide how and where it's used? These are not just technical questions, but ethical ones. Finally, there's the challenge of public perception. Many people are wary of what they don't understand, and nanotechnology is no exception. We must strive to educate and inform, to ensure that fear doesn't stifle innovation. Nanotechnology, like any powerful tool, must be handled with care and responsibility. So what does the future hold for nanotechnology? As we look towards the horizon, the potential of nanotechnology is vast, as infinite as the universe itself. Imagine a world where disease is a thing of the past, where clean energy is abundant and waste is non-existent. That's the power of nanotechnology. However, as with any technological advancement, it's not without its challenges. The ethical implications of nanotechnology, such as privacy concerns and potential misuse, must not be overlooked. We must tread carefully, balancing our pursuit of progress with the need for regulation and oversight. In the end, the future of nanotechnology is not predetermined. It's a canvas waiting to be painted, a story waiting to be written. We, as a society, hold the brush and the pen. We must make informed decisions, consider the consequences of our actions, and guide nanotechnology towards a future that benefits humanity as a whole. Nanotechnology has the power to shape our future, but it's up to us to ensure that it's a future we want to live in. As we come to the end of our exploration into the world of nanotechnology, we are left with one final thought. How can we, as individuals and as a society, guide the course of this powerful tool? The answer lies in education, understanding, and engagement. We must educate ourselves about the potential benefits and risks of nanotechnology. We must understand its implications, both good and bad, and engage in discussions about its use. We must remain vigilant, ensuring that the development and application of nanotechnology is done responsibly, ethically, and with the greater good in mind. We have the power to influence the direction of nanotechnology. Let's use that power wisely. After all, the future isn't something that just happens, it's something we make. Remember, the future of nanotechnology is in our hands. Let's make it a future we can be proud of. Outro. Thank you for watching our video on Unleashing the Power, the Dark Side of Nanotechnology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Stay tuned.